divina. Tu vas bien con le monde, you man. Tu vas si a fort pour un beau, y'a un gueule pas bon dedans. Un beau, t'es, tchachuro. Tchachuro. Un autre que tchachuro. Means we load it. Got your body soft. Me love all your skin. Me love all your glow. Yeah, your body be shining like diamond. Me love all your glow. Yeah, I know you don't be wanting no stories. I know you don't be.
Hi guys, oh my god, you all, I miss you. I miss you so much. Don't mind my voice, I little bit sick. It's not sick, it's like fucking allergic. Okay, I'm a little bit sick, okay, don't mind my voice. Today I'm coming to you. Wait. I'm going to give you like 3 seconds for you to go and subscribe to my red button. To that red button, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay, you're subscribed. Now all that 3 seconds for you to click that button. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome. If you are new, welcome to DIVANYHAIR. Now is welcome to 8K DIVANYHAIR. Okay, you're coming for see this week, and stay tuned because today I'll record a mini video, so stay tuned because you're going to see many things. Okay, so this week is from the pamphlet. Always I threw the pamphlet away. Like this week is from WIGSBUY.com, the secret of instant beauty. Okay, I'm going to leave all the links down below. I'm going to show you how I install it. Okay, let me tell you, this week is a lace frontal. It has like tiny frontal here, and it have this part. The part is amazing. I love it. I have to plug it. You're going to see how I plug it because I plug it. So see how it look. Okay, it's synthetic wig. The wig is tangled a little bit. It's not that too much, but it's normal. It's that the wig is going to be tangled. So take your brush, take your brush and put it in your back. So you can see that you can style this wig with different options. Like you see now, I have it like this. You can put it like this too. That part I'm not showing you. You can do it like this, and you can take it a ponytail. Let me show you how it look. Oh my god, a brick. Ooh. Do you see, y'all? It's 26 inches. It's 26 inches. See this. Whoa. I like it. I love it. I love my girl 1B hair. Okay, I like 1B or color 2 hair because I noticed that it's good for me. So that is why I chose this color. You have many colors. You have many wigs out there. You have clippings too. I'm going to leave the link directly of this wig down below, and I'm going to leave the link of WIGSBUY.com down below. Okay, I know you're going to ask me about my contact lenses. This is Romance India from Colossia.com, and their prescription. Yes, their prescription contact lenses because your girl is blind as F. Okay, you sister is blind. And the lashes too, they are from Colossia.com. They are from Colossia.com are wearing the DR06. Yes, I'm going to leave it here. Okay, my discount code for H1 contact lenses and lashes is you know the key. Okay, the key. So you can have 10% off. I'm going to leave Colossia.com down below. Okay, that is all. Bye. If you want to see more pictures about this wig, follow me on my Instagram, DIVANYHAIR. Good hair is big more louder than words. Bitch. Bye.